With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here is that write three main functions of the nervous system, and in the absence of the muscle cells, how do the plant cells they show the movement here, right? So let's see the answer now. So first here we are going to discuss about the nervous system. So in first question we are asked about the functions here. So first we'll talk that what is the nervous system here. So in nervous system, or we could call it as the control center of our body here, because there is the presence of a functional unit, neurons, and the role of the neurons is to receive and to transfer these signals from the brain to the organs, or from the organs to the brain here. So neurons, they have the presence of dendrites. Dendrites, they are present in its structure. We have the presence of the axons, and axons, they are ending into the terminal synapses here, right? And the one neuron, it receives the signal through its dendrites, and it transfers the signals through the synapse to the next dendrite of the neuron here. So this is how the functioning it goes. Now the nervous system is also including certain kind of nerves here, right? And nerves, they reaches the different locations, such as it reaches the gonads, it reaches the muscles, it reaches the organs here, and it reaches the different glands. Now the role of the nervous system is to control the activity of each and everything in our body here. If there is a secretion of certain kind of hormone, it is regulated by nervous system. If the muscle needs to be contracted here, it is controlled by the nervous system. If the organs need to do something, it is controlled by the nervous system here. So nervous system is the control center of our body here. Now the next part, it is saying that in the absence of the muscle cells, the plant, how do they show the movements here? Okay, so in case of plants, we know that there is no nervous system. Nervous system is absent in case of plants here, and they do not have the muscles even. So how do they move here? So plants, they have the specific ability that they can detect the changes. So they can detect the any kind of change in their surrounding here, and the change could be of two types. We have the chemical change here, and we have the electrical change. Chemical and the electrical change. So this is how the plants, they show the change. If there is any kind of electric stimulus, so plant will respond accordingly here. And if there is any kind of chemical stimulus here, any kind of hormone or chemical is given to the plant, so the plant will respond accordingly. Now we will go for an example of the plant having a specialized kind of response here. So we have the plant which is sensitive in nature, and it shows the presence of the thigmonasty, or we could call it as the thigmonastic movement here. The plant name is Mimosa pudica. So the sensitive plant showing the thigmonastic movement is the Mimosa pudica, and this Mimosa pudica is known as the thigmonastic plant because whenever we touch this plant, so on the touch it folds over. So this is how it shows the movement towards the touch here. So that is why we have the thigmonastic movement here. And the plants, they also show the movement towards the gravitational here, or we could call it as the gravity movement, right? And they also show the movement towards the water. So wherever the water is, plant will try to move to that particular area. The plants, they also show the movement towards the light stimulus. So they will grow in the direction of the light here.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.